Have you ever seen cashew fruits being discarded after harvesting the nuts? Here in western part of Africa, farmers cultivate cashew in large quantities for commercial purposes, but their main concern is the nut. The juicy fruit is often left to rot, unknowingly wasting what I call brown liquid gold, a natural sweetener with incredible health benefits. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn this overlooked treasure into a delicious syrup using nothing but the cashew fruit itself. I started by removing the nuts from the fruit and cut the cashew fruit into smaller pieces. Notice how juicy they are. I will keep the juice from chopping to help with blending. No water needed at all. Now, transfer the chopped cashew into your blender and add the juice we got during chopping to aid the blending and blend everything into a smooth pulp. This is pure cashew fruit extract. Nothing artificial, just natural goodness. Next, I strain the juice using a cheesecloth. This removes the fiber, leaving us with a pure, rich liquid. Now, I transfer the juice to a pot and set it on a medium heat. Once it starts boiling, I skim off the foam that forms on top. This helps to clarify the syrup. After about 20 minutes, the juice thickens and caramelizes, turning into a beautiful golden brown syrup. I then lower the heat and let it cook for just 1 more minute before turning off the stove. This cooking time depends on the amount of juice you are cooking. After cooking on low heat for 1 more minute, it started caramelizing again. Now turn off the heat and allow to cool completely. As it cooks, it thickens even more. Now, I carefully transfer the syrup into a storage bottle, ready to use whenever I need a natural sweetener to drizzle over pancake, waffles, yogurt, coffee, and many more. This syrup isn't just delicious, it is also rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and mineral that boost immunity, aid digestion, and provide natural energy. What was once considered waste is now a valuable, all natural sweetener. And here it is, cashew fruit syrup drizzled over pancakes. It is naturally sweet, rich in flavor, and packed with healthy benefits. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing DIY recipes. See you in the next video.